Cash Genie AI presents itself as a revolutionary system designed to empower individuals, regardless of their background or experience, to generate commissions on autopilot. The main selling point of the system is its simplicity and accessibility, requiring only 3 steps: login, activate, and profit. With a focus on learner-friendliness and automation, Cash Genie AI aims to provide users with a hassle-free path to financial freedom. Keep watching and click on the link given in the description to get details and access to this cash. Exposed, most automated plug-and-play system for generating DFY commissions on demand in March 2020 for 3-click, done for you. AI system pays $997 plus every time we copy and paste our secret link. We're making thousands per month. Now it's your turn. Created for beginners. Just copy and paste one secret link. No budget required, vertical bar, no experience required, vertical bar, no tech skills required. You're now just 3 steps away from job replacing freedom. Do it from your phone, from your laptop, from anywhere. Step #1. Login. Grab a copy of Cash Genie AI before the price increases. Click on any of the buttons on this page. Step #2. Activate. Activate your Cash Genie AI secret money link and copy and paste. Just as easy as taking a shower. Step #3. Profit. Enjoy the unlimited free buyer traffic that Cash Genie AI brings to your secret money. Link 24/7 says $997 plus payments start rolling in. When you want more, just copy and paste again and again. This new AI done for you profit system earns us commissions like this every day like clockwork. Automated Facebook profits. Mark Zuckerberg is paying us at least $997 plus per day. It's even possible to profit without a computer. All we have to do is activate a super secret, copy and paste Facebook loophole to get paid. We just copy and paste this secret money link once. His is the same AI commission system being used by millionaire superstars to make money with Facebook, including celebrities you love to follow, including. And that's just a tiny fraction of the problems. But don't worry, there's a much better way. I developed a foolproof system that guaranteed Hannah makes money. The best part, you don't need to spend anything extra to profit. A world first, done for you Facebook commissions. All you need is Cash Genie. With this system you can crush any niche. It doesn't matter what niche it is. The best AI system on the planet for siphoning automated daily profits without any of the hassle, just like we're doing with Cash Genie AI right now. Why you must grab Cash Genie AI now. Beta testers love it and you will too. Hurry and claim yours before this offer expires. Here's exactly why Cash Genie is the all-in-one system you've been waiting for. Here's a sneak peek at 14 of 30 incredible features. VIP insiders will see the rest. Feast your eyes on these. Turn Facebook into a viral ATM. Newbie-friendly interface. Profitable templates to choose from. Intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Built-in AI-powered content creator. Built-in AI-generated cash campaigns. Facebook income potential. High-ticket campaigns included. App works on all popular devices. All major third-party integrations supported. Automated AI traffic feature built-in. DFY business commercial license included. No monthly fees. Built-in offers included. Here's exactly why Cash Genie is the all-in-one system you've been waiting for. Cutting-edge AI technology. Push-button simple. Proven by newbies. Industry-leading support as voted by our customers. World-class training from a 7-figure marketer. Done-for-you monetization. Facebook commissions. Traditional affiliate commissions. No monthly costs. When you act now. Takes nanoseconds to activate. No maintenance or setup hassles. Self-updating app. Everything you need is included. Your questions. What devices does this work on? Is this really beginner-friendly? Is there a money-back guarantee? Are there any monthly costs or fees? How long does it take to set up? What if I need help or support? We love helping our customers. How do I get started? To get an answer and access, just click the below description link.